What's up YouTube, this is Mark from PhoneSmith. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is launching today. Pre-orders are going out today as well, so guys, stay tuned. I can't believe I'm doing a hands-on tutorial on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. They already surprised me with the gold pin labeled right in front of the box, guys. Meaning this is going to be a revolutionary design to this pin. And now I'll show you guys in this video later on. So let's first remove that black factory seal and proceed to show you guys what goodies are lying in that box for us. So first, let's take off that pamphlet. I couldn't take it off, I had to skip and get a card. You take it off. After I got the card, I just seen the glory. Galaxy Note 9. The pamphlet just comes with your little your SIM card removal tool and just the little books and everything, your Samsung little pictures and stuff, and you know the facts and the reads and all the other stuff. Basically, throw it to the side. Let's get ready to move on. Next, let's take that phone and let's see what's so special. What's the hype about? Why is everyone getting wild? Again, I use the card because I don't have no one else. I'm telling you. All right, so it has, this is Samsung's biggest infinity screen, which Samsung has told the audience and consumers worldwide. It has two cameras, a finger reader, and just a regular USB-C port, headphone port, and there goes the pin. And you get your headphone jacks. You have your volume, your power, almost like the S9 Plus in design wise, but this screen is the biggest infinity screen Samsung has brought out to all consumers worldwide. It's beautiful, I'm telling you, edge to edge. The back is glass, as always, since the Note 5, the Note 7, and the Note 8, and the Note 9 now. The finger reader is a little too close to the camera, which might make it a hassle for some people because you might have to wipe your camera off a few times. The pin is gold, just like how you see in the picture at the bottom. You can also tap it like a pin too, like almost like a pin light. It has a button in the middle. That button controls taking pictures, changing modes, playing music, swiping a slideshow if you have your phone connected to a bigger screen. That's what Samsung's been saying in all of its reviews, and you'll see me test it right here live in this video for you guys to see what's so terrific about this pen. For some reason, it can do way more, and guys, again, the pen is extraordinary compared to how they use it in the Note 5, the Note 7, it was exploding on CeeLo, and the Note 8. So let's put that pen back in there, guys, and I'll just get back onto what's inside the box for you guys. Again, you can click it like a pin, play with it, whatever you have to do. But let's pop it back in there, guys, and throw it to the side, and let's proceed on with the unboxing. All right, let's pop up that frame right quick. Let me focus it for you guys right quick. Let's pop up that last frame to see what else lies inside of your Note 9 box. Ooh, okay, the little IMEI sticker, which shows your IMEI. Ooh, this is what all of them come with now since the Note 8 and the Note 5, the S8. That's just called an OTG adapter. It helps you to transfer information from any old Samsung device to this new Note 9 device. It comes with your regular fast charging block, which is original by Samsung, of course, to not let your phone stay on a charger too long. And also, it comes with, let's open that flap up. Comes with your regular standard AKG high quality headphones. I feel like these are the best headphones. The mic is great, works great. I use it on my PS4. When I had my Note 8, I use it on a lot of things besides the phone itself. They're great headphones, trust me, and they're very durable. All right, we have the fast charging cable. You can't have the block without the fast charging cable. It won't make sense, I'm telling you. So that's also a regular that comes in the box for Samsung. After that, what else do we have? What else? Oh, we have extra. Oh, I don't know what, guys. I don't know what this is. If you guys can comment in the description what this is. I've been seeing it almost every Samsung current that's coming out, S8, S9, S7. What is that little thing? Because I'm confused. And last but not least, we have our extra earbuds. You can change the size depending on your ear size and etc. I tried looking for more stuff. I can't find nothing else. I think that's it. So if that's the case, guys, let's just put everything to the side, make it look nice and neat, and let's turn on our Galaxy Note 9. So as you can see, same like the Note 8, you just turn on the side, that single button on the right, on the right side of the video, I guess, or is that my right, your left? But you get what I'm saying. So a single button by itself, you turn on the phone just by clicking it for like a few seconds, probably 5 to 3 or 3 to 5. After that, let's just swipe up. It looks, oh my god, that screen is very edge to edge. Dang, bro, that's crazy. As you can see, Samsung was not lying. As you can see the edges glowing. As you see the LCD and everything. All right, let's go down and see a little bit facts about this phone. Let's go to device maintenance. This phone has, let's go. It has 128 gigs of space. I say almost hard drive of space onto the device. That is the most I've seen any Samsung phone. They're actually blowing iPhone out the game because you can add extra storage to it, and a whopping 6 gigabytes of RAM. That is truly speed. Most computers don't even have 6 gigs of RAM that they sell at Walmart for $250, $345. After that, it just has regular Samsung apps, has your camera, your gallery. But guys, let's go see how the camera looks. Let's find it right quick. Let me find out. I forgot how to use this phone. I'll tell you, once you have an iPhone, it goes crazy. All right, I found it. So guys, all right, let's put up the camera. The camera is very sleek. As you can see in the video, it captures a great amount of detail after focus. It has different modes at the top, just like your S8s and S9s that are released out. Similar methods, but this camera is 2 cameras, almost like the iPhone X. It has, let me see what's that saying. It has live focus. It put boxes in the front. It has pro, gets a little more aggressive. It finds every type of pixel and tries to redefine it in a high definition live view. And it has panorama, I forgot how to say it, where you just slide your phone left to right and you capture what's in front of you, and like a sliding effect like you see in the front, almost like iPhones and everything that's out right now. What else does it have? Let's slide. It has auto, which all phones have. It has super slow-mo. Guys, this is the greatest feature. After I use this, I took a few clips of videos. I will leave them at the end of the video just to show you guys what super slow motion can do. Because, guys, I thought Apple's slow motion was great. Samsung has redefined that on the Note 9. It's crazy. All right, let's play with it. I'm just taking a few photos, playing with it, seeing how the camera and everything works. Look at that slow motion, guys. That's slow motion, guys. That I just recorded my hand going past, and there's slow mo of it. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. That's my hand still moving, guys. That is still my hand moving, and it hits something. That's crazy. All right, let's click back. Let's see what else does it have. Oh, you can make an AR emoji. So basically, you can take a picture of yourself. And it has hyperlapse, almost like the Instagram boomerang, just a little quicker. So I did a quick video of my hand, just me shaking it, and then I just recorded it right quick of me shaking my hand. I just went to go see what it was. And basically, it's almost like a boomerang, sort of. That's guys, that don't like. Still, again, guys, this is crazy because the features on this phone is incomparable to any device we've seen yet, even its brother, the Note 8. Like, and then the all-around design, it's sleek, durable. I don't see nothing is wrong with this phone. The color, they come out with a few new colorways too. The screen is, I heard, a little bit better, meaning durable-wise when you drop it, but I don't recommend dropping this phone, period. Because you know how Samsung are, the repairs are expensive. And once you lose your original screen, you lose that original screen. Trust me. I'm just showing you guys the 2 cameras in the back that help give you that HD redefined look on any picture or anything you might take. Also, let's see what else does it have. I thought they was going to introduce portrait mode on this phone, but they still did not even I think they might have it, but guys, they still didn't introduce it. Because the iPhone X and the 8 Pluses have it as well. So look, guys, I'm playing with the pen now. So as you can see, the pen, I try tapping on top so it affects or what does it happens when I use it like that. Nothing really happens. But if I leave my finger on it, it activates the camera. And I can actually take pictures by clicking that button in the middle of the Note pen. And that right there, guys, told me a lot. Trust me. I was shocked, guys. I can change what I want to change. I can click to go home. I can slide the screen. I can change to the front view and back view. I can put it down. I'm sure you guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Like a remote. Look. 1, 2. I'm taking pictures, guys, without even holding the phone. That's using the S Pen. I can change modes. I'm going from auto just by double clicking. I can change modes. It's, again, guys. Guys, I'm telling you this right now, guys. This phone, again, is revolutionary. I really recommend purchasing it. It is, again, ready for pre-orders. Pre-orders should be going out this Monday, August 20th, for anyone that wants this phone. But guys, thank you again for watching our videos. Please like, comment, thumbs up the video. I really appreciate it. You guys have a great day.